So to start with the dosa, I need 2 cups of short grain rice. I do not have short grain rice. However, I have read on other websites that regular basmati rice will work just fine. I'm leveling this off, putting it into this bowl. 1 cup, 2 cups. Next, I need the urad dal. I need a 1/2 cup of this. And make sure this is level. Level in cooking means flat across. I will put this here. I chose pink Himalayan salt. Last but not least is the fenugreek seed. I need 1 teaspoon of this. It goes right in there. So here I have my 2 cups of rice. I have my 1/2 cup of dal. I have salt and fenugreek. And I am ready to make my batter for my dosa. So now I'm going to pour the rice into a larger bowl and I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. So now I'm going to cover the rice in water, cold water. Here is the dal and fenugreek that I have rinsed. I also am going to cover this in cold water. Both of those bowls need to sit for about 4 to 6 hours to soak.
Now I will move on to my next episode about dosa. Thank you.